Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do another look with the Holmes palette. I'm gonna do a more natural look today. I'm just gonna do these two light colors right here. I'm just gonna do these two colors here and use the highlighter on my lid as well. I use a Benefits cream for the base color, and I'm going to put that light color that I just showed you all over the eyes. Here it is, the RSVP from Benefits. I got in like a little sample. I don't even remember. Ulta, Sephora order, birthday, I don't even know. So I'm just gonna put this all over the eyes. And I'm gonna dip into that highlighter. I'm gonna dip into the highlighter right here and put that on the lid. Wow, that is beautiful. It's like a champagne-y gold color. And I'm gonna dip into that lighter rust color. I call this like an adobe color. I don't know why. So I'm going to dip into this lighter color right here and put that in the crease. Then I'm going to dip into that gorgeous green and use that as a liner. I'm going to do that on top and the bottom. So let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I was thinking about using the bronzer. You can use that too as the contour color or maybe just a definer. I forgot to use the bronzer. I've been using my Milani bronzer, so I just used this as the blush. This is the highlighter. And the lipstick. My goodness, these are like wonderful. They're so creamy and they taste so good. Oh my goodness. So let me put that back. They do have another set right now that you can get at Walmart or at their website with a limited edition lipstick. It's like another color like that. I didn't see any reason to get it since I already have. Nothing in there is new except for that lipstick. So it's like $14.99 I think at Walmart and on the website. So it comes with like a dual eyeshadow, which they already have in these palettes. Bronzer, highlighter, colors they already have. I think they're in minis, I think. And the only thing that's new is the lipstick. And it looks a lot like this, only it doesn't look shimmery like this one. It looks more of a, a cream color as opposed to a shimmer. So, just an FYI for you guys. So, yeah, so I think next week I wanted to try some looks with this.